Money by Helen Mutavia. It's made by mortals who get it from trees made by God. It's made by mortals who have made it their God. For you to live a life, you need to understand the do's and don'ts about this thing that mortals made. Save it, spend it, invest it. Credits, debits, and futures. Use, value, and returns through compounding and interest. Be intentional with it. Understand why you really need it. Some call it root of evil when it's too much or too little. Hardens the souls of the rich, corrupts souls of the poor, as all crave for money satisfaction. Do not let it drive you, lead you. Too much will drive you to ruin. Too little can be pain. Don't you just need enough for sustenance and genuine laughter?